Ready to unlock global communication and boost your business with a virtual phone number? Let's dive into how to buy one from Messagebird. First, head over to messagebird.com if you don't already have an account. Click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to create your free account. You'll need to provide your email address, create a secure password, and verify your email. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Messagebird dashboard. Navigate to the Numbers section, usually found on the left-hand side menu, labeled Numbers or something similar. Here's where the magic happens. Click on Buy a Number. You'll be presented with a list of countries. Choose the country for the number you need. This is important for establishing a local presence. Next, you'll see available number types and features. Consider what you need: SMS capabilities for text messaging, voice for making and receiving calls, or both. Select the features that fit your business requirements. Review the available numbers and their monthly prices. Select the number that suits your budget and needs. Confirm your purchase. You may need to provide some business information or documentation depending on the country's regulations. Now your number is active. To use it, you'll need to integrate it with Messagebird's API. This allows you to send and receive messages and calls programmatically. You can find the API documentation on the Messagebird website. And that's it. You've successfully purchased a virtual phone number from Messagebird. Now you're ready to enhance your customer service, streamline communications, and expand your global reach. Good luck.